Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Ravensburger escape puzzle, The Witch's Kitchen. If you haven't watched part 1, I have it linked in the description below, but we're trying to find the cure for a poisonous mushroom. There are 8 puzzles throughout that you need to solve, and each puzzle will give you a number. I started with this book in the middle. If you look closely in different areas of the puzzle, you can find these symbols and the letter that they equal. Doing that, you'll get the name of 3 books, and then these books each have a number on them. And if you do them in the order that is in the book in the middle, you get 8, 3, 4. Next, I moved on to the stool, and there's actually 2 puzzles in this one. I started with the outside one. So as you can see, there's 2 numbers on the outside and then 1 below it. And if you multiply the outside numbers, you get the lower one. So we're looking at the question mark in the top left and multiply 8 by 7 to get 56. The inside puzzle on the stool has 1, 5, 9, 13 and a question mark. So the pattern is to add 4. So that question mark is going to be 17. The next puzzle is this skillet, and there's numbers all around it with a question mark on the right. If you look at it, all the small numbers, you multiply them together, you get that number that's between them. So you're going to multiply 10 by 9 to get 90. Next, I moved on to the shelf of bottles, and you have to find the pattern with those numbers to get the last one. So looking at them, the pattern is going to be to subtract 5 and then multiply by 8. So 7 minus 5 was 2, 2 times 8 is 16, and so on. So your final number is 664. Next, we went to the open scroll, and here we have equations that use symbols to equal numbers. So if you do those first 3, you're going to get the H that equals 30, the little circle equals 5, and then the 2 moons equal 18. Using the equation that we're trying to solve for the number, you have 5 plus 30 times half of 18, so times 9. And your number here is going to be 275. Next, we looked at this drawer, and on each lid you have a shape. So to solve this one, you count the amount of corners that each shape has. You have a square, triangle, circle, and hexagon. So your number is 4036. The last puzzle to solve is this one that is on the mantle. And to solve this, you're going to cover the left half of each shape to get a number. So here you get 2157. Now that you have the 8 numbers, you're going to find the edge pieces that have these numbers on them, and then you'll fit them together into a square with a hole in the middle. Move that around the puzzle until you find a piece that would fit in the middle that has what would be a cure, which is this flower.